If I want to get information about arrays, there's a few different things that we can do. If I have the good old, much loved fruits array, and I want to find out how many things are in that array, I can use fruits.length, and that returns an integer. In this case, it would be 3. That lets me know how many elements are in that array. One more thing that's interesting about this is that it gives you a number that is 1 higher than the highest index. In other words, fruits, the highest index, or the index for the cherry element, is 2. So if I take length and subtract 1, that gives me the index of the highest index in that array. That can be useful for all kinds of things, but it's just a good thing to remember. Another thing you can do to find out if something is an array or not is to use the array method. And note that I'm not using fruits.isArray. I'm using array with a capital A dot isArray, and I'm giving fruits as the argument here. And what that will return is either true if it's an array or false if it's not an array. But that can be useful for all kinds of things. If you want to find out if something in a variable is an array or a list, then you can find out using isArray